Smart Solutions. Add-on desires.
Okay, hi friends. We are going to discuss the circles chapter, which belongs to the intermediate mathematics 2B. Okay. In that first question, find the equation of the circle passing through the points 5, 7, 8, 1 and 1, 3. Okay. Now let me write the first the standard form of the equation. The standard form of the equation. Standard form of equation of circle. Standard form of the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It is the standard equation of the circle. Okay, but this our required circle, for example, let me assume this is a required circle. This circle passes through this point and this point and this point. That means these 3 points satisfies this equation. Okay na? So that's why let me substitute this point in this circle. Okay. Now the equation 1 passes through 5, 7. Okay, that is 5 square plus 7 square plus 2g into 5 plus 2f into 7 plus c is equal to 0. Right. Now that is 25 plus 49, 7 square 49 plus 10g plus 14f plus c is equal to 0. Right. So here 49 plus 25, 74. Okay. Now that is 10g plus 14f plus c plus that is 74 is equal to 0, equation 2. Next, equation 1 also passes through. The equation 1 passes through 8, 1. So that is 64 plus 1 plus 16g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Right. That is 16g plus 2f plus c plus 65. This is 64 plus 1, 65 is equal to 0. Equation 3. Okay. Next, equation 1 now. Equation 1 passes through 1, 3. Right. Therefore, let me substitute here. 1 square means 1 plus 3 square 9 plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 3 plus c is equal to 0. So that is 2g plus 6f plus c plus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation 4. So now we have to solve the equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4 to get the unknown values g, f, c. Right. So now let me solve the equation 2 and 3. Now solve the equation 1 and solve the equation 2 and 3. Solve the equation 2 and 3. Then, so that is 2 is 10g plus 14f 10G plus 14F plus C plus 74 is equal to 0. And next third one 16G plus 2F plus C plus 65 is equal to 0. Now we can cancel the C. So that's why minus, 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 minus. So we can cancel the C values. So 10G minus 16G minus 6G. So plus 14F minus 2F plus 12F. Okay na. 74 minus 65 plus 9 is equal to 0. So that is equation 5. Next. So from here, later you solve the equation 3 and equation 4. Solve the equation 3 and equation 4. Solve the equation 3 and 4. Solve the equation 3 and equation 4. Right? Now the equation 3 will be 16G plus 2F plus C plus 65 is equal to 0. And 4 is 2G plus 6F plus C plus 10 is equal to 0. Right? Now, so this is minus, 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 minus. So this plus C and minus C get cancelled. Now here 16G minus 2G, that is 14G. So 2F minus 6F minus 4F. So plus 65 minus 10 plus 55 is equal to 0. So that is equation 6. Right? Now here when we solve the equation 6, when we solve the equation 6 and 5, we get the either G value or F value. Either G value or F value. Okay na? So to get the G value, let me multiply this one equation 6 by 3. Okay na? Whenever we multiply by the 3, so this become as 12F minus 12F and here plus 12F. So this minus 12F and plus 12F will be cancelled. Okay na? So that's why let we solve the equation 6 and equation 5. So multiply with this 3. So that is 3 into 14G minus 4F plus 55 is equal to 0. Next minus 6G plus 12F plus 9 is equal to 0. So that is now 42G minus 12F plus 165 is equal to 0. Minus 6G plus 12, this one, okay, plus 12F plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this can be cancelled. Okay. So now 42G minus 6G, that is 36G. 36G plus this is 165 plus 9, 174 is equal to 0. So that is G is equal to minus 174 by 36. Okay na? So 36 ante 174 by 36. Okay. Now now here 2 9 ante 9 36. So here 36 means here 4 jabudda 9 ante 4 kada 16 14 74 174. Okay na? 174 by 36. 4 la pote 4 just 16 ante 4 పోదు. ఓకేనా? 36 అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు 2లో తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 2 1 జా 2 8 జా. ఓకేనా? 2 1 జా అంటే 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 16, 2 6 2 8 जा 16, 2 8 जा 16, 2 7 जा, ఓకేనా. సో దట్ ఈస్ G ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -87/18. ఓకే. నౌ ఇప్పుడు 3 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 3 9 जा 18, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 9 जा, ఓకేనా, సరిపోతుంది కదా. 3 9 जा 27. It's okay. So that is G is equal to -29/9. 3 6 6. So that is 29/6. So that is the G value. So from that, if you write the G value in the equation, any one in this equation, so put the G is equal to, put G is equal to -29/6 in equation 5. Okay. So that is, so -6 into -29/6 plus 12F plus 9 is equal to 0. So this 6 get cancelled. So that is 29 plus 12F plus 9 is equal to 0. So that is 12F. So 29 plus 9, 38. So that is -38. -38. Okay. So that F is equal to -38/12. -38/12. So that is 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 9 ja. So that is F is equal to -19/6. This is the F value. Now to get the C value, substitute the G value and F value any one first equation. So what was the first equation we have? So in the third equation also we can substitute here. Okay, this is the third equation. 2G plus 6F plus C plus 10 is equal to 0. So to get the C value, put the F value, F and G, put F and G in equation, this equation, that is equation 3. So therefore, so here 2 into G value -29/6 plus 6 into F value -19/6 plus C plus 10 is equal to 0. Plus C plus 10 is equal to 0. So that then we can cancel this 6 cancel. So 2 1 ja 2, 3 ja. Okay. So finally we get here -29, next -57 plus 10 is equal to 0. So that is plus C. Okay, plus C plus 10 is equal to 0. So for totally what happened here? -29 -57 -86 plus 10 -76. So C -76 is equal to 0. So that is C is equal to 76. So therefore the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2 into G -29/6 plus 2F. 2F means -19/6 plus C plus 76 is equal to 0. So therefore this is 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So this is 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So therefore, so x square plus y square minus, okay, here y, x here here y. Now minus 29x by 3 minus 19y by 3 plus 76 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. So like that we have to find out the equation of the circle when the 3 points are given. Okay. So we have to assume the standard equation of the circle will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and that standard equation passes through the 3 points. So that's why we have to substitute in that 3 points, and later we get the 3 equations in f comma g comma c by solving the equations by any way, okay na, without any mistakes. Now we have to get the f value and c value and g value. So after finding the f comma g comma c values, if we substitute in the standard equation, we get the equation of the circle. So this is the one method. We have another method also. Okay na? So which is the easiest method? Then you can solve, you can adapt that one, that easiest method, right?
Add-on solutions. Add-on desired.